So hello again. Uh, for this tutorial, we will going to I'm going to show you how to use the 8 by 8 LED matrix. So what we will be needing is the 8 by 8 matrix LED, a couple of connectors, and our Uno R3 board. So for this tutorial, we will going to use the 1088BS model of the LED matrix. So let me focus this so you can see the model number of our LED matrix. So there are two kinds of LED matrix. One is the 788BS and the 1088BS. So for this tutorial, we will going to use this model. The difference between the two models is the connection of the anode and the cathode of the LED inside the matrix. So for this video, I will show you how to connect the matrix to your Arduino board without any driver, using using the LED matrix, couple of wires, and our Uno board. So before we start, I would like to show you the pin out of the LED matrix. So I have here the uh, pin out of our LED matrix. So we have here 16 pins, from 1 pin so 1 as you can see here, we have the pin out of our LED matrix. So within the LED matrix, you will notice a bulge at the bottom of your LED matrix. So this one. And if you turn it on the opposite side, there is no bulge on the LED matrix. So on the side in which there is a bulge, uh, we will start the count of the pin of our LED matrix. So we have here pin 1, pin 2, up to pin 8. Then flipping it the other way, we have pin 9 to pin 16. So let's focus this so you can see our LED matrix. So I repeat, if you notice a bulge, it means that the pin number starts with this side, which is the pin 1 up to pin 8. Then flipping it to the other side, we have the pin 9 to pin 16. So we're going to use female to male connector to connect the LED matrix to our Arduino board. So as you can see from this pin out, we have the pin 1, the R5, the R means row and the C means column. So that's the way the LED matrix has been labeled. So for our pin 1, R5, we will connect it to the digital pin 6 of our Arduino. And for the pin 2, R7, we will connect this to pin 8 of our Arduino. Or for our pin 3, C2, we will going to connect it to the pin 11 and so on. So you can see here, pin 9 to pin 16, there is a corresponding connection between the LED matrix to our Arduino board. So remember that the label in red is our Arduino pins, while the black is the pin of our LED matrix. So let's start connecting the LED matrix to our Uno board. So once we connect the LED matrix to our Uno board, we will now proceed to our Arduino code or Arduino sketch. As you can see here, we have our code that we were going to upload to our Uno board. So for the code, please check the description below and download the code if you need to. So for this code, we have here the uh, declaration of the pins of our LED matrix and the pin of our Uno board. So we have here also some code about the custom characters that we will be displaying on our LED matrix. So for this, we have we're going to display letters from A to Z. Okay, and we will be displaying the Elexhub. So you can see here ELEXHUNB. So for this code, a quick explanation for this code. I'm going to show you the how we come up with these codes uh, by simply using Microsoft Excel. So let's try and open our. So let me explain these lines of code here on our Arduino IDE by using Microsoft Excel. So I make this on Microsoft Excel by using 8 rows, and 8 columns. This signifies our 8 by 8 LED matrix. So as you can see here, these lines of codes signifies the data we will be sending the LED matrix. So this line of code tells which one of the LEDs will be turned on and off whenever I display these letters. So for example, this letter A, we have 8 rows. So first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row, and eighth row. So for the first row, we have the B 11111. So the B stands for binary. So since if you notice this, we have numerical digits which is uh, 8 digits. So these 8 digits signifies the columns of our 7 segment, rather the 8 by 8 LED matrix. So if you notice here, if we send in 1, it means that the LED will not be turned on. So for this model of 8 by 8 LED matrix, the 1088BS, the output is some kind of inverted. So for if the LED is not turning on, if, if the LED is not turning on, we will label these columns as black. So for this first row, we have all ones, so we will label the first row black. So for the second row, you notice that we have the first two digits and the last two digits are 1. So we will label the first two and the last two as black. And the middle 4 digits, we will label this as red. So since if we having as zeros, it means that the LEDs on that row will turn on. So for the third row, we have the first digit as black. So we have the third row. Okay. We have the second and third digit as red. So let's put it this. Then black. For the fourth row, we have the middle one as black and the outermost part is also white. So for the middle part and the outer ones, we will label this black, and for the zeros, we will label this as red. So I repeat, if the value is 1, the LED will not turn on. And if the number is 0, the LED will turn on. So we will label this 0 here in our Excel as color red. So the outer part is 1, so we will label this as black. Where's the black? And the remaining part is red. And for the next column, until the last. So let's do this. Let's finish this so we can move to the uploading the code part. So you can now see what our LED display will show if we display the letter A. So these lines of code, if you edit these lines of code, you can create custom characters that you can display to your LED matrix. For example, you want a smiley on your LED matrix. you can simply use this Excel file. Just put in 8 by 8, 8 rows and 8 columns. So, and then if you made the design, custom character, then you can now put this as code to your Arduino IDE. So, we'll be discussing further about this on our next tutorial about the 8 by 8 LED matrix. So, let's upload the code. Let's upload this code to our Arduino, to our Uno board. So, once you upload the code, okay, you can now see the LED matrix is displaying Elexhub. So let me show you more clearly what our matrix display by turning off the lights. Okay, so you can now see the characters that our LED matrix display. So I hope you learned something from this video. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates uh, on your prototyping journey. So that's it for now. Bye bye.